Here's Andy, and he's here to tell you about his Unity game.
Hello, my name is Andy, and I'm the upcoming sophomore. For this Bootstrap week, I've been making a Unity game, and this Unity game is an open world where you get to explore and and just have fun. I made this game because I really wanted to make a game that I wanted personally, and what I had envisioned. What I did was I made movement, health bars, and magic, basically. And I faced many problems while trying to implement that in the game. So first of all, let me share my screen. First of all, this is my game, and I made my health bar here, my weapon, and also an enemy. And it took a long time, and it was very difficult. So one of the major goals I had was dashing and also swinging my sword with my mouse movement. So the first problem I had was the dashing. The dashing was very complicated, and it also had major drawbacks because of how Unity worked. To fix that, I decided to change the different type of movement. Instead of using one that teleports, I made it so that you just increase your speed really fast for a split second. For example, that was the dash. And another thing I made was the sword movement. So this is the sword, and I could move it however I wanted to. To slice, I just move my mouse like that. And if the sword came into contact with an enemy, it would just make it disappear. It was very simple. But in reality, it was very hard to implement it and code it. Another issue I had was my movement. The movement was a monster of a task, as I had no prior knowledge, and Unity is such a hard program to learn. So instead of wasting weeks upon weeks on doing that, I decided to give up and use the asset store instead, which fixed it, though it was not as satisfying. What I learned is there was many approaches to a simple problem, and it doesn't always happen at face value. I also learned that asking for help isn't bad, and it is very helpful. That is my that's my presentation. Thank you for listening.